Hey everyone, welcome to Effect For You channel. Thanks for supporting me from your like and comments, it means a lot for me. Today we are creating effect like this. So let's start it. First create a new composition. I am using 1920 by 1080 pixel 25 frame per second. Now select text tool, and type any text as you like. Align text center of the composition, and move anchor point center of the text. Now convert text layer into 3D layer, and create a new camera. I am using 35mm preset camera. Select text layer and press P for position. Change Z position around -1900%. And go to 5 frame forward, and change Z position around 800%. Now select text layer, and open it, go to animate and choose tracking option. Add keyframe on 5th frame, then go to around 3 seconds, and change tracking amount value, 0 to 10. Now, drag subtle dust footage into timeline, convert into 3D layer, and change Z position around 5000%. Now drag particle footage into timeline, and convert 3D layer, and change Z position around -1500%. Move and scale it according to your composition. Select particle footage and change mode normal to screen. If you not found this, press F4. Now drag fog footage into timeline. Change mode normal to screen, resize it according to composition. Press T for opacity and change opacity 20%. Convert into 3D layer. Change Z position around 2000%. Now, drag shockwave footage into timeline, and change mode normal to screen. You can find all footage link in description. Move shockwave layer and around 5 frame and adjust the shockwave when text layer hit our screen. Now duplicate text layer and move this layer below main text layer. Select duplicate text layer and apply CC Radial Fast Blur. Go to first frame and change amount 90% and add a keyframe. Go to 5 frame forward and change amount 50%. Now select main text layer and apply ramp effect. Change start color. Adjust both point according to you. Now apply drop shadow. Softness around 10%. And opacity 30%. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now, hit 0 for ramp preview. Perfect. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and subscribe our channel for more tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.